Morning everyone, it's a beautiful day heading out to Waterfall Glen. Here's my beautiful giant bike, love this thing.
We're right close to Argonne National Laboratory, and this here is Cass Avenue. Cass you can get off right from 55, and 55 is right there. So really close, very accessible. I would say with no traffic from the city, you're looking at about, I would say 40 minutes. All right, and there is the Argonne sign. You take a right off of Cass. As you can see, lots of people. I'm gonna put on my COVID gear to protect myself. You'll see, but there's the entrance, okay? Waterfall Glen, that's a trailhead. And we'll start off inside the parking lot. There are also bathroom facilities over there that are open to the public. Okay, so what I didn't realize is this parking lot is for DuPage residents only, but there's plenty of parking around it.
So here's a quick aerial, and the circle has a small parking area that I've parked at several times. It's not an official lot, but I've never gotten a ticket, so you could definitely try there. And then there's legal parking for non-residents on the street.
And I did want to point out one other thing. If you go down this road here, see how it curves off? I'll be talking about this later, but if you continue down this path, you'll see that there's a really good way to avoid the very congested first leg of this 9.5 mile trek that we're about to go on. Okay. All right, and I am in my full gear here. Can never be too careful. I do have somebody in the family who's a little bit compromised, so I definitely want to make sure that I'm not breathing in any virus. So I've got my ski goggles on, and I've also got my my ski bandana. So hopefully that covers everything, but better safe than sorry. All right. Not a lot of trees or leaves right now on this Midwestern Forest Preserve. I love the nice white paths that we got. And yeah, I got my mountain bike, but I'm a bit of a chicken mountain biker. I don't do those single lane paths. Okay, so remember the little curve in the road that I told you guys about? Or that I showed you? Well, this is coming in from the other side, and you could easily take this and skip a very congested portion of the path, but it is about 1.75 miles to get to here. So that's up to you. My recommendation would definitely be to get here earlier. And as you can see, actually, so when you come out of this path, you just take a right, and then you go down a little bit and shimmy over. You cross over to the path over here on your left. All right, now coming almost to the 2 mile marker, I just want to point out this sweet grove of oaks. It's just this huge field with pretty much hundreds. And fun nature fact is, you know, New Orleans, these are one of the only trees left standing after Hurricane Katrina. And basically because all their roots underground, they all interconnect. So they all basically embrace each other in little tiny hugs, and you know, they hold hands. And so when Hurricane Katrina came in, they had the force of all the root system, not just one tiny tree. So really cool. Hey, and don't fret if you get to a fork in the road, which there are a few of them out here. There's always gonna be a little trail marker letting you know which way to go. Okay, Matt, just in case I get any Poland subscribers, can you please just say hello to all the folks in Poland out there?
Dzień dobry wszystkim, witamy z USA.
Yes!